Hello children, good morning. A very good morning to you all. Hi children, did you eat breakfast today? Yes, you have to eat. If you are eating only, you will get energy. And drink milk, 1 glass of milk every day. And also drink more water during this season. Previous day we spoke about cursive letters, that also big cursive letters. Today I am going to write on the board small cursive letters. Please see and copy what I am writing on the board. Dear parents, please check whether your child is writing in the lines or not. This will be helpful for the good handwriting. So let us start children today's class. Dear children, are you ready with your 4-rule notebook? Let us start writing. Small cursive A. A you have to write in 2 lines. A. And the next letter is B. And small cursive B. Start from blue line to red line, go slowly and come down to the 3rd line and end in 2nd blue line, B. Next letter is C. You have to write in 2 lines. That also these 2 lines are in blue. Write C in 2 lines. A, B, C. D also start from 3rd line to red line and come down to the 3rd line. Next letter is E. E also write in 2 lines. A, B, C, D, E, F. See children the difference in the letters, how I am writing. Next letter is F. F start from 3rd line to red line and you have to write F in 4 lines. G. G you have to write in 3rd line, starting in the 3rd line and come down. The next letter is H. Start from 3rd line, go up to the red line and come down to the 3rd line, H, and write how I am writing. I you have to write in 2 lines only. The next letter is small cursive J. J it comes down. It is a down alignment. The next letter is K. Start from blue line to red line and write in 3 lines. Now next letter is L. L you have to write in 3 lines. The next one is M. M you have to write in 2 lines. Even N also in 2 lines. The next letter is O. O also write children in 2 lines. So once again we will start A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. The next letter is P. P start from 2nd line and come down P, and it is a middle and downward alignment. P. The next letter is Q. Q also you have to start from second line and come down to the fourth line. Q. Q. R, children, you have to write in two lines. R, P, Q, R. Yes. Yes, also you have to write in two lines only, children. See here the differences. P, Q, R, S. The next letter is T. Start from third line to red line and come down to the third line. T. U. You have to write in two lines, children. V. V also in two lines, that also in blue lines. W, that also in two lines. These are the small cursive, so you have to write in some letters in two lines. X, Y, you have to come down. Y, X, Y, Z. The last letter is Z. Children, practice nicely. So once again I'll start and see the differences. A in two lines, B in three lines, C in two lines, D in three lines, and E two lines. F, just see here, you have to write in four lines, and G also three lines, H three lines, and I in two lines. J, it is coming down. This is J. K also in three lines, L in three lines, M, N, O. These three letters you have to write in two lines, that is in blue lines. And P, Q also you have to start from second line to fourth line. And R, S also in two lines, children. T in three lines, U, V, W, X. These four letters are we wrote in two lines. Y, Z is a little bit different. You have to write down. So here are some are up alignments are there, and middle alignments are there, and down alignments are there. So all these letters are, how many are there? All the alphabets are 26 alphabets. Okay children, practice it and write one time in your notebook. Thank you. Dear children, it's very serious outside, and the situations are very... Dear children, outside the situations are not good, children. Corona is very seriously is coming out. Don't come out to play. Stay home, stay safe, be healthy, and thank you.